Meow. Hi everyone, I'm Johnny, your favorite foodie cat. Today, I am going to share a recipe that will warm your heart and your belly. Super crispy Sichuan pepper roasted chicken legs. It's really simple and absolutely perfect for a cozy meal. First things first. Let's talk chicken. You need to plan ahead a little. Take your chicken legs out of the freezer and let them thaw in the fridge for a full day. This slow thawing is my secret to keeping the meat wonderfully tender and juicy. No shortcuts here. On cooking day, give the chicken legs a good rinse under cold water and then pat them completely dry with a paper towel. And I mean completely dry. The drier the skin, the crispier it will get in the oven, and trust me, we want maximum crispiness. Now, take your knife and make 2 small cuts on each chicken leg. This helps all the yummy flavors soak deep into the meat. Next up, the marinade. This is where the magic happens. In a bowl, mix together some soy sauce, a bit of oyster sauce, and a generous amount of freshly ground Sichuan pepper and black pepper. The freshly ground ones are a game changer. Their aroma is just incredible. They are the soul of this recipe. Then, add some dried onion flakes and a pinch of sea salt. If you like it spicy, like I sometimes do, feel free to add a little chili paste. Now, place your chicken legs into the bowl with the marinade. It's time for a little massage. Gently rub the marinade all over the chicken, making sure every single nook and cranny is coated. The more you massage, the deeper the flavor will go. Once you're done, cover the bowl and let it chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. If you have time, 2 hours or even overnight will make it taste even more amazing. When you're ready to cook, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 175 degrees Celsius. A good roast always starts with a properly preheated oven. So don't skip this step. Arrange the marinated chicken legs on a baking tray lined with foil. Using a rack is even better because it allows the heat to circulate all around, giving you that perfectly even cook and extra crispy skin. Pop them into the oven and bake for about 30 to 45 minutes. Depending on how big your chicken legs are, you'll know they're done when you poke the thickest part and the juices run clear. For that final, irresistible crunch, here's a pro cat tip. Switch your oven to the broil setting for the last 5 minutes, but you have to watch it very closely. Don't zone out and nap like a cat, or you'll end up with burnt chicken. And there you have it, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, pepper roasted chicken legs. This is exactly how I imagine the perfect dinner. Thank you for cooking with Chef Johnny. If you try this recipe, don't forget to share your creations with me. I happily accept chicken legs and cuddles as payment. See you next time.